Okay.
Yes, yeah. We all four making bhajia. What are you laughing?
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with like the whole fam. I'm here.
This bhajia. Lot of bhajia.
We have just made.
This is mine,
well,
and that
we
is
haven't
hot
done
one.
anything. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my gran and my mini-me. Of course she's here. I thought that I'd do another cooking with my gran video, and we made these mixed vegetable bhajia, which are basically pakoras if you have them in a restaurant. The recipe is quite complicated, so I will leave it linked down below in the description box, or I will write a blog post on it. But I think you can put any vegetables in it.
Yes.
If you want to, you can just mix it up. She literally just used whatever she had in the fridge.
It's very nice video, and I'm very happy. This video, and I'm making cooking. I'm very happy. Thank you very much, my granddaughter. Thank you very much.
She's a bit of a YouTube star, so I really hope some of you try this out. It is a bit of a long-winded process, but I feel like it's so worth it. And obviously we made tons of them because she's feeding like more than 10 people.
No, more than this, 15 people, and some left another door.
There's more as well in the dining room, so she's feeding quite a lot of people. Like, we don't do things in small quantities in this family. So if you do try it out, then please do let me know. Send me a photo, tag me and stuff. I would love to show my gran.
Okay, thank you.
So if you want to know how we made these, then please keep watching.
Nearly more than 2.5 cups. Wow.
Okay, first we have just some plain boiled rice, about 2.5 cups. We basically eyeball everything, so I apologise if the recipe is incorrect.
Courgette.
Courgette?
Courgette.
Oh, that's like courgette just blended up in a food processor. 4 courgettes, and it's about to get very noisy. So she's got a massive bowl because she's making enough for about 10 people, but obviously...
More than 10.
Oh, more than 10 people. But obviously you can like halve it, quarter it, make like an 1/8 of this for a normal person portion. There's about 2.5 cups of like cooked rice, just plain boiled rice.
4 courgettes.
4 courgettes that she's peeled and just blended up in like a food processor, all chucked in. And there's 5 carrots in here, again peeled and just put through a food processor.
I'm putting mine, not exactly, it's okay, measure.
Oh yeah, so she just eyeballs it, and it doesn't really matter if you don't have the measurements exactly. You just chuck it all in and hope for the best. There's 2 potatoes.
Any, if somebody like more, anything more food.
Oh, so you can put more potatoes in if you want.
Anything.
You can put other vegetables in if you want to.
Yeah, I'm not measuring.
There's also like a small handful of cabbage in this and 2 potatoes. She also put about 150 grams of spinach. She just chopped it up.
More.
She says you can put more in if you want to, but this is like the bag, so she's used about this much. So she's transferred this into like an industrial size container. We're gonna mix this all up, I think.
Chop the coriander, any quantity. If you like more, put it more. If you like less, put it less. This bhajia.
This is what we've just
This
made.
is mine. That is another one is very hot.
Oh, so she made two different types.
Yeah. Somebody
That's so
came
good.
hot and somebody came mild. Yes, I make two types.
Exactly. I've just been watching because I have absolutely no idea how to do these things. Nor do you. Like now you do. But if any of you do make these, then please take a photo, send it to me, like email it to me, tag me on Instagram, tweet it to me, send it to me on Facebook, because my gran would love to see people recreating these bhajia.
They're amazing.
They're so good.
So good. Especially with the chutney, guys.
With the chutney. The chutney video is a separate video, so I'll link it up here on screen. So please do tap on that and go and watch that one next, because it's just like a match made in heaven. And could you not cough over here, please?
Now, let's we going eating.
Yeah, time to eat. So we've just filmed a recipe for this chutney.
Thank you.
Please like and subscribe.
Yes, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification. I love that you know I do this. And the bell notification.
Can I go now?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Go on, you do it, you do it. Do the outro Nishi style.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell down below. Thanks for watching.
Yes, you smashed it. It's a wrap. We did nothing. My gran did all of this.
Bhagwan. How's all?
Hey, Bhagwan, don't take my life.
Hey, Bhagwan.
Don't say that. No.
Oh, she's already kind of started, so I'll flip the camera around and show you all the veg that she's chopped up, and yeah, we'll take it from there.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Eh, shut up.
What do we say?